We're only 1 week into January and I already have my first fitted pickup of the year. Let's unbox it together. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome. I like to do a lot of content around streetwear, sneakers, and all that good stuff. So if that sounds interesting to you, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, leave a thumbs up on today's video, and let me know down in the comments if you've picked up a fitted for the year already. If the box hasn't given it away yet, today's fitted is from hatclub. For those of you that aren't aware, I am actually a hatclub ambassador as well. Love working with them and love showing you guys some new and upcoming collections like the one we have here today. Before we crack this open, let's just appreciate the box for a second. All the designs around here are from previous collections that dropped in 2023 and some campaigns that I actually was lucky enough to participate in. Super cool design for this box over here. Now let's get into the fitted that's inside. Today's fitted is actually going to be from the Cash Pack collection, and this here is honestly one I was super excited for because I had a bunch of fits in mind for this particular fitted. Now let's have a closer look at it. And as you guys can see, stickers have already come off because I've been shooting content with it all day, but had to pull it out of the box for dramatic effect. Here we have the two-tone New York Mets hat from the Cash Pack, and if the name hasn't given it away already, the inspo for this fitted is cash. Obviously, I love two-tone, so I'm a sucker for any good color combination, and this color combination just hits. As you guys can see, we got a nice navy blue dome up top, and we have this muted mint green for the brim. When it comes to the underbrim, they went with a classic gray brim, which I think is perfect for this particular collection. Now, if we have a closer look at the New York Mets logo, we can see that it's not a pure white, it's more of a bone white color, and it has royal blue embroidery around it, which helps it pop. And honestly, that royal blue is a great touch to this fitted. We have the monochromatic New Era flag on the side, and on the back we have a flat Batterman logo with that same bone white and also a nice powder blue. Now let's talk about the side patch. I know some of you guys are getting side patch fatigue, but I'm still a fan of them. And this one here is a really great side patch, especially the way it's been executed with the theme. Let's have a closer look at it. We have the 2015 World Series patch on the side. And the reason it works so well with the collection is because of the embroidery style used on this particular side patch. It's meant to resemble a cross hatching that's used on American bills, which is a really great touch and plays well into the theme. We also have the same royal blue embroidery around the side patch, which just helps it pop. Continuing on with the theme, we also have the metallic hit over here with the signature, and then also a serial number in a nice green colorway. Reading out the serial number at the bottom over here, we actually have it saying New York Mets 2015, which matches perfectly with the side patch. Now when it comes to styling this particular fitted, as you guys can see from the short form content playing on the side over here, I decided to really focus on that navy blue with a monochromatic fit. I haven't done a lot of monochromatic fits, so when I saw this particular navy blue, I knew it would match a lot of the pieces in my wardrobe. Now, if you guys were interested in picking up anything from the Cash Pack, the collection will be dropping on Jan 11th. And let me know what you guys think of the collection and this fitted down in the comment section below. Now, this is going to be the first of many fitted hat pickups for the year, and there's definitely going to be a lot more fitted content incorporated on this channel. You're definitely going to be seeing a lot more of these, whether I'm just wearing it in the video, styling them, or unboxing it for you. That's a wrap for today's video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.